Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Roblox mobile. Did you accidentally buy something on Roblox using a mobile phone and now you want to refund? In this video, I will explain how to refund, work on Roblox and what to do if you made a mistake. First, here the important thing to know that Roblox does not offer instant refund for the most in-game purchase. Once you spend your Roblox, the item usually not refundable, but there are few things or few situations where you may get a Robux back. When Roblox gives refund automatically if you buy an item that later gets removed by Roblox or an item that breaks Roblox rule. Roblox may automatically refund your Robux. You do not need to request anything. The Robux will usually return to your account within a few days. The item like avatar clothing, accessories, game passes, private servers normally cannot be refunded even if the purchase was accidental. For that, open your mobile browser and go to the Roblox support page. Log in using a Roblox account, submit a support request, choose bill and payment, then explain clearly that the purchase was accidental. Be honest and polite while refunding are not guaranteed. Roblox support may help in some cases. Before buying an item on the Roblox, remember double check the price, make sure you really want the item and be careful before tapping buy. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.